and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to give the car a quick wash, well overdue. It's been raining so much here in Florida lately, and this is my daily driver, so I cannot escape the rain, and I want to drive my car too. And it's also been really hot, so that's also been like deterring me from working on my car, you know, doing things like that during the day, because it's just stupid hot. So yeah, right now I'm at Advanced Auto Parts, trying to get some more 3M, because we're attaching a new spoiler today on the F30, but unfortunately they didn't have any. I do have some still, but I just wanted some like thicker one that because all I have right now is like the really skinny kind that just comes with it, and I wanted something a little more beefy, something that's gonna really hold on there, but I think we'll make do with what we got, and I think it'll be fine. So let's get to the outside wash bay and get to washing the car. Freaking humid, but we got the wheels done. We gotta move quick because this side is pretty much like in the sun, so I gotta hurry up, get this washed because I just have water sitting on my wheels, but it's mostly deionized water, so that helps to not leave any water spots or anything like that. But let's just go ahead and show you the car. It's pretty dirty. I don't know how much you'll be able to see on camera. Alright, we got Coach Chemi, Gentle Snow Foam, and the foam cannon. We're just going to foam the car down first, and then give it a little agitation wash. Oh, I forgot I didn't turn my pressure washer back on. Oh no. Take two. Alright, so we got the car all clean, finally. It's been a long time coming, but I need to hurry up and get my car back in the garage before it rains, and I need to preserve all my hard work. So let's get to it. I got the new spoiler lined up. We just have to take the old one off, and the reason why I'm doing this is because the PSM one, the PSM style like high kick spoiler, just a little too much for me. It's a little too much aggression. I need to tone it down a bit. I'm getting old. I need to take off my burbles and get a little more subtle mods on the car. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I just want to change it up. And then also, like, the carbon fiber is starting to really degrade because, you know, this is a cheap spoiler that I bought off eBay, so not the highest quality, and the clear is like starting to fade and like chip off. So I'll show you guys what that's looking like. But yeah, I'm excited to get this new one on there and have like a new look for the back end, and it's just be more subtle but it's so clean. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's starting to like chip up right here, and it's just like the clear is just failing, and like right here, you can just start to see like all the white. And specifically a spoiler, you want it to be kind of hot, kind of warm, so it's been sitting directly in the sun. So I believe that this 3M underneath is pretty warm. It'll be easier to take off. And then I got some old fishing line. I'm just going to start on the edge and then pull up against the spoiler because I don't want to scrape the paint. So I'm just going to go through, just get it all loose, cut through the old 3M. That was pretty easy. Worked my line. It was old anyways, but just like that. And it's crazy that this 3M tape just holds it on there, all that downforce. But yeah, it was a little wet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do like a better job taping on this next one. Alright, so the bugs are getting annoying in the background, creating a lot of background noise. So here basically I'm just explaining how I need to do a better tape job and tape more to the closer to the edges so that water doesn't get trapped underneath it whenever I wash or when it rains. Because then when I open the trunk, water just falls on my windshield or just like escapes from the spoiler. So luckily none of the 3M really stuck to the paint on the car, but I'm still going to use some Ulix. This is adhesive remover by Ghosh Chemi, and it works really well. I'd say it works way better than Goo Gone even, like it just dissolves adhesive. Does its job really well, so I recommend you pick some up just to have in your arsenal. And then I'm also going to use some O&R because there's a lot of dirt and stuff that was trapped underneath, so I'll go ahead and get that cleaned up as well prior to using the Ulix. What y'all think? No spoiler look? I think we should just leave it like that. OEM. Alright, so we got some Ghosh Chemi microcut as well, because there was some markings left from the old spoiler, so I figured I'd give this a try to remove it. So with this, I'm just hoping that it'll get the job done and I won't have to go to a heavier cutting polish or a compound, just because I want to preserve that clear coat on top of the paint. So now I'm going to take some Geon Prep, which is like an oil and polish remover. That's what you use after you polish to clean the panel and get it prepped for coating. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that, wipe off the polish residue, and that way it leaves a nice clean surface for the new spoiler as well. Now it's clean. But yeah, the finger polish or the hand polish did really well. Definitely sufficed for this job. And took out all the markings from the previous spoiler. Alright guys, so real quick, I want to shout out the sponsor of today's video, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So Simply Carbon Fiber was kind enough to send me out a phone case and a wallet, and these products have been awesome. I've been using them every day, and especially this wallet I really enjoy. So it has a nice glossy carbon weave. It's real genuine carbon, designed and made here in the USA. Has a money clip on the back, so it's super convenient for storing a little bit of cash here and there, and then it has 4 to 6 credit cards that it can hold. I have like 6 in here now, and it fits them fine, and it feels still super lightweight in my pocket, and that's what I love about it. And also it's compact design, so it's no bigger than a credit card, and it's awesome. I've been using it. I've been enjoying it way more than my previous like leather-bound wallet. And then we have this phone case as well. This is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can see it has a nice carbon weave as well, and it also has a raised edge around the cameras to protect it, you know, when you're placing it down. And it also has this super nice grip on the side, so it feels great in the hand, especially with the carbon weave on the back. It's nice and slick, and it feels great going in the pocket and everything. It's not too bulky, and it protects your phone really well. And then Simply Carbon Fiber also has screen protectors, so go ahead and check them out. simplycarbonfiber.com. Use my code SK10 for 10% off. And now let's get back into the video. Alright, so we got the 3M on there. We did 3 strips along each edge, so I did a pretty good job of getting it close to the edge as possible, which is going to fit on nicely, especially with this spoiler. So hopefully water doesn't get in between there now. So now we just need to peel off the 3M and stick it down. Pro tip here, I went ahead and just pulled back a little bit on each side, and that way I have more room for error when I stick it down in the event that I have to like pick it back up or like reposition the spoiler. So you just want to take your time here and make sure you get it lined up on each side as even as possible, and then peel the tape back and press it down. Good amount of pressure for like 20 seconds or so, just until you feel like it's stuck on there really good. And thank goodness it is really hot out that day, and the back end of my car is like right in the sun, so that's going to allow the 3M to stick a lot better. And if you're in a colder climate or it's a colder time of year, then go ahead and break out a heat gun or like a hair dryer or whatever you have just to warm up the surface and then tape a little bit more. Alright, there we have it. So I haven't ceramic coated this spoiler yet. I do plan to redo the entire ceramic coating on my car, so I figured I'll just do it then. And then these spoilers also come with like a UV protecting clear coat, but I'll go ahead and put a wax on it for now, just to have that extra layer of protection against UV rays. Alright, so we got some Optimum car wax. This stuff is really good. Just go ahead and make sure it's all mixed up really well. Spray some on my towel. Going a little too hard there. Now we'll just wax on and wax off. But with this stuff, like a little bit does go a long way. Now I'll just go ahead and spray some on my trunk lid, just because of the extra shine there as well. Alright, so that is how you uninstall and then install a brand new carbon fiber spoiler on your F30. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to go ahead and get some more B-roll now, throw that in here at the end, and just get some more clips for you guys so you can see like the before and after. And I think it looks way cleaner, and we'll have to see throughout this week. I'm going to be taking some more pictures. So follow me on Instagram at F30skirt so you can stay tuned and see those pictures drop as well. Yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Smash that like button, hit subscribe for future content, smash that bell notification so you always stay up to date when I post a video, because we're going to be cranking out some more content. So yeah, subscribe. Thanks guys, catch you on the next one. Peace.